Ayurvedic treatment for ear problems, 100% Ayurvedic medicine. Are you suffering from constant ringing, buzzing and roaring sounds in your ear? Are you having difficulty in listening and have lost clarity in hearing? Is quality of your sleep affected due to sounds in your ear? Are you losing focus in your work and facing psychological problems due to tinnitus and deafness? Do not suffer anymore. Vedicmeds Ayurveda's treatment for ear problems will help you to cure your ear problems effectively. Ayurvedic treatment for ear problem is a combination of tablets for ear problems and therapy oil for ear problems. Benefits of treatment for ear problems. Stop ringing, buzzing and roaring sounds inside the ear. Helps in revival of auditory neural nerves. Helps to prevent degeneration of auditory hair cells, which helps in listening sounds or voice of different frequencies. Heals bacterial and fungal infection inside the ear. Eliminates the earwax and keeps the ear canal free from any debris. Improves sleep and psychological condition of the person. Improves hearing capacity substantially. Dosage of treatment for ear problems. How to take tablets for ear problems. Take 2 tablets after breakfast and 2 tablets after dinner with water. How to use therapy for ear problems. Tilt your head or lie down. With the help of dropper, take a bit of oil in the nozzle. Slowly put 1 to 2 drops in your ear carefully. Keep lying down or tilt your head for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. Authenticity of treatment for ear problems. All our products are manufactured in a GMP certified lab. We follow the manufacturing process as mentioned in the ancient text of Ayurveda. The manufacturing process is completely handmade, adhering to the Ayurveda principles. Before bringing the products to you, we test each batch to ensure the efficacy and quality of the product. Treatment for ear problems, 100% Ayurvedic medicine. To buy this treatment package, kindly read details in the description box or visit www.vedicmedsayurveda.com. You can also write to us in our WhatsApp number 977 383 4318.